Let me show you several different things what you can do if your SIM card on your Samsung S25 or S25 Ultra isn't working. Maybe you do not see any bars basically for your SIM card, or maybe it says emergency only, or again it's completely not responding. First thing we can do is we can actually force a restart on this phone. So simply press and hold the power button and the volume down for roughly 10 seconds and ignore whatever it says. So keep holding for roughly 10 seconds. And this can actually fix some issues. So once you see it goes off, simply release and it will reboot. So again, it will see basically what's actually happening with this phone and try to solve any problems. And this restart can actually take sometimes up to a minute. So don't worry, simply leave the side and let it boot up itself. Next, we can go to the settings, connections, SIM manager over here. And also it might ask you to update your SIMs. So if it does, simply do that. And next, what I suggest you do is actually simply turn off your SIM card from over here. So basically turn off the SIM card, maybe wait a minute or two, and then simply turn it back on and see if this solves issue. Then again, we can go in the connections, but this time click on mobile networks over here and make sure you have actually this enabled VoLTE for, basically. And also maybe if you are abroad, so if you arrived in different country, also make sure to enable data roaming as well. And then also we can click network operators over here, select the SIM card. So obviously if it shows up here, so we can deselect this and we can actually register manually on our network. So simply wait, it will search for all networks available in your area, and then simply click on your network and wait it to register on it. If it's still not working again, we can go in settings, then click apps over here, select this over here and click show system apps. Okay, and then over here in the search, enter SIM toolkit. So for me, it actually popped up too for some reason. So I'm going to simply go over here and click on the storage over here, clear cache, and also clear data. Okay, and then also I'm going to go for the second as well and do the same thing. If still not working, we can also go to the general management over here on the reset, then click reset mobile network settings. Choose your SIM card that you want to reset. So, and click reset settings. Okay. And we'll clear out settings and also might revive your SIM card. Again, this doesn't delete SIM card or doesn't do anything to it, but again, it might actually help. So if none of this stuff helped you, you can also maybe inspect the SIM card itself. So pop it out, but again, one of these things should help you. It usually does. You can simply inspect the SIM card. Also, if you have the dual SIM card version, basically, you can also try to insert it basically from the SIM card slot number 1 in the SIM card slot number 2. Also, we can literally take a cloth and try to clean the contacts on the SIM card as well, and see maybe if you have gotten some fingerprint smudges on it, so maybe it can't understand that as well. By the way, for this phone, when you actually insert your SIM card, you actually need to be kind of careful because the design is a bit weird on the SIM card tray basically. So if I push in, sometimes actually my SIM card pops out a bit, so, and I do not even notice sometimes that it's actually not properly aligned inside. So again, when you insert it, actually check that it's actually being properly inserted and it's not actually sliding out in any way. So again, this is some problems that I have noticed on this S25 compared to other phones. But again, if none of these things actually help you, then I guess simply contact your network operator and see what's up. Maybe you have some billing issues or stuff like that. Anyway, I hope this helps. Good luck.